Well, folks, let's go ahead and take old Blueberry in, my 2011 Ford Edge, and get that flex pipe checked out, along with a resonator delete. I will tell you, I went originally in just to do the resonator delete, but it turned out to be more than I thought it would be. Let's check out what happened. Well, folks, looks like we're getting a new flex pipe. So if you wanted to know what a flex pipe damage is, right there it is. That's flex pipe damage. That is toast. Look at that thing. There you, oh my God, it is almost gone. That did not take much. Flex pipe is toast. So that is it. I just wiggled a little bit and it broke off. I was just wiggling it a few times and it broke right off. Check that out. Anyway, that's where we're at. Resonator before. That's the resonator. We're gonna take and remove the resonator. Good old Hobart. Little MIG welding, I guess. That is the trickle charger there. Diversified Power International. It's a trickle charger, and that thing is charging all sorts of batteries. Perfect. All done. All done, folks. We got her taken care of, and we don't have any problems. So we're gonna start her up and see what she sounds like. That's the sound I wanted to hear. She rumbles a little bit. Wow, she sounds sweet, don't she, folks? Frank, the service manager at Midas, was a big help. Former Marine, so hey, I was Navy and we got along well, and he did a fantastic job. I'm going to say he's a pretty good welder, too. And he got her all ship shape and found that flex pipe and got that replaced. It was an unexpected thing on my part. I had a suspicion, though. When I was starting Blueberry, I thought something was off, and it turns out I was right, but didn't really think that much about it. But that thing really just fell apart as soon as you touched it, so it was done. Anyway, we got the flex pipe put on and a new resonator delete done, so now Blueberry sounds sweet. So remember, like, subscribe, join, all that good stuff on my group and my Facebook and YouTube and MeWe and everything else. And, hey, my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day, too. And Band of One's going to, of course, play some great music along with Mercy Girl's one-liners and maybe a little bit of follow-on footage for whatever I happen to be doing. So that has to be welded in, huh?
Yeah, I cut it out welded into it.
Okay, I see the flanges all there.
Thank you for watching MacT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe.
Otherwise, it doesn't look too terribly bad.
This is a Mercy Girl production.
The rest of it's pretty solid anyway.